Welcome. So today we will talk about one of the very interesting topics, and that's the 7-star Gram Panchayat Rainbow Scheme. Now this name Rainbow Scheme itself is unique because all the Gram Panchayats in the state of Haryana would be ranked and they would be given 100% scores on all 7 different parameters, which has been fixed by the development and the Panchayat department. The idea is to revive the grassroots level development. So this scheme started back in 2018 in Haryana, and this is a kind of model that could be implemented across the country in an idea to bring in much more better grassroots development. So what are these 7 stars? So let's focus on those. The first star is the golden star. Now this golden star focuses on good governance. So the idea is a good governance that could be imbibed. The second is a orange star, which focuses on peace and harmony. So how well the Gram Panchayat is doing in terms of harmony, in terms of peace, is again important. The next question, the next star rating is the star rating for the blue star, and that is the education and the dropouts. So bringing in more awareness for education, bringing in literacy development programs is something that is very, very important and is part of the blue star development. So blue star is focusing on education. Now through the 7 parameters which are part of the rainbow scheme, all the important aspects have been highlighted. Pink star focuses on gender equality. So sex ratio is something that would be addressed across each of the Gram Panchayats. The next is white star, and this focuses on the hygiene and the serenity. So how well the Swachh Bharat campaign has been working, how well the hygiene issues have been working in the state of Haryana can be addressed through the white star. So that's again important. The next is the issue that has been talked about is green star, and this green star focuses a dedicated work towards environment. So preservation of environment, preservation of the forest, preservation of the green areas, very less of forest areas in Punjab and Haryana. So preservation of the green areas is a very important effort that has been taken place. And the last is the social participation, and this social participation talks about the silver star rating. And through these 7 stars, we say that this is a policy which is known as the Indradhanush scheme or the rainbow scheme, brought by Haryana government for the development of the Gram Panchayats, a very unique model which can definitely be embarked into the regions of the other states as well. And a grassroots development monitoring can definitely be worked around on this principle. So stay tuned for many more updates and many more important lectures in the upcoming sessions. Have a wonderful day ahead.